All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Barbourville, Kentucky, and it was time for my family and I to go on vacation, but what better way to spend vacation than going to a car show, right? So as you guys know, we're from the Detroit area, but we're down here in Kentucky, Barbourville, small town, and I really like the setup that they have here. They have a car show going on from 4 to 8, and the town kind of makes a small circle here around the municipal building here in the center, and they have cars all laid out around the outskirts here. And man, they got a little bit of everything out here today. I think we're definitely in Chevy country. I don't see a ton of Mopars, but there's still a lot of everything. I see some AMCs, a lot of Chevelles, and Novas. Super cool. The temperature's a lot better today. It's been like in the 95, 97s, you know, it's been upper 90s, and today at least we're in the 80s, and it's bearable. But yeah, let's take a walk around the show. A lot of cool stuff, and make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna be making a lot more videos, and I really appreciate you guys watching. So if you like the videos, please hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Helps me out a lot. And so yeah, stay tuned. Let's walk around the show. Yeah, this way I get the video. I get all the pictures then, right? Yeah, very cool. Sharp car. Alright, let's check out this one with the patina here. Little hugger orange going on here. Alright, let's take a walk on over here down the side street. Cars are definitely rolling in. Saw this Belvedere roll in. Pretty cool. 8-ball shifter. It's cool. Let's see what kind of artwork we got over here. Cool. Three on the tree.